Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Coco Canadian. Today we are going to the falls. We live very close to Niagara Falls, and with the baby it's easier to go to the falls and check out places there. And it's a very beautiful day today. It's 22 degrees Celsius outside, so we thought we'll take Aryan to the bird kingdom. And before that, we are gonna have some food from Timmy's because we are very hungry. We burned a lot of calories in the morning, so we have to eat. Right, Nicholas? You guys can see it. That's Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons is like a chai kada of Canada. In every corner, you can find like a Tim Hortons. You get basic stuff from here, like coffee, like some bakery stuff, and burgers. Aryan was sleeping when we left, and he's still sleeping in his car seat. So hopefully when we get there, he'll be awake and he can just walk around and see something. Right, Nico? He hates when I ask questions like that.
Yes or no questions.
Yes and no questions, because
the answer is obviously yes.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm saying my line. Yes. Yes, dear.
Yep, sorry. So we just parked the car and I'm just gonna eat the Timmy's burger now. So we are actually parked right next to these Tesla charging stations in the falls. So if you, I'm just gonna turn the camera and I'll show you guys. Okay, there's like multiple Teslas and they're like charging. So the Timmy's sandwich basically has like a biscuit, and if you see there's like egg and like sausage. So if you see, there's actually a place called Country Fresh Donuts over there. That place is amazing. They have like really good pork noodle soup and I love it. And Aryan is like looking at me and he has his little mouth open. But what do you have to say about that? Do you like soup? Do you like soup, mister? So we're currently near the Niagara Escarpment. So if you look, just a second. If you look that way, you can see the escarpment area. The falls is towards that area, and that bridge over there, that's actually a bridge to US. And what you're seeing over there, those buildings are a part of USA. So we are inside, and you can actually feel that once you get inside, only the temperature kind of changes, and there's like a lot of tropical flowers. This is basically hibiscus. See all these ferns. So we're gonna get the tickets.
Can you get the tickets?
I'll get the tickets.
Can you see the birdies are?
Birdies? How does birdie go? Look at this lucky money tree, eh? Look at the size of this money tree. Oh, wow. I mean, wow, that's flamingos. This is beautiful. My phone. Yeah. Hey, Aryan, look at that. Where are we? See you interested now. Wow, look at that.
There was a huge bird there? Oh, I missed it.
So Aryan has not seen green leaves yet because this is the first time he's seeing green leaves. He was a winter baby, right? I think he's interested in seeing these things. Oh my god, I love you, boy, honey. So I went in there with Aryan. It's just an old-fashioned Japanese house. There's nothing in there. You can see birds feeding there. Another one over there. I love the color of this one. Like that, my favorite blue color. Oh, he's hiding someone there, behind him. Nothing going on, you know. Come on, Chico, please.
Susie? I don't think that's a good idea.
Huh?
I don't think that's a good idea.
Come on, Chico. Let's go, Mom. Let's go. What's coming? Let's go, Mom. Come on. Chico. Chico. That's okay, right? Okay, so we are at the gift shop right now, and do we need anything from here? Let's see. Oh my god, Gandalf! It's a cat. So that's it. We are wrapping up our Bird Kingdom journey. Because this little guy is getting a little fussy. We're going home. He needs a feed. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day. Bye.